Hello friends, we are discussing about normal forms in DBMS. In previous video I explained first and second normal form. Now we study third normal form. A table design is said to be in 3NF if both the following conditions hold. The first condition is table must be in 2NF. In previous video I explained about 2NF. Okay, the table must be in 2NF. Second condition is transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any super key should be removed. Okay, transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any super key should be removed. We try to understand what is the second condition. An attribute that is not part of any candidate key is known as non-prime attribute. Okay, what is non-prime attribute? A attribute that is not part of any candidate key is known as non-prime attribute. Okay, so in this example, employee ID is the candidate key. Okay, only employee ID is the primary key. Employee ID is the primary key as well as it is a candidate key. In other words, 3NF can be explained like this. A table is in 3NF if it is in 2NF, and for each functional dependency X dependent on Y, at least one of the following conditions hold. X is a super key of table, Y is a prime attribute of table. Okay, so one more, in other words, how we can say a 3NF is a table is in 3NF if it is in 2NF. First condition is that must be in 2NF, and other condition is for each functional dependency X dependent on Y, at least one of the following conditions hold. X must be X must be super key, and this Y, at least one Y is a prime attribute of table. Okay, X is super key and Y is prime attribute of table. We try to understand with example, then it becomes very clear. An attribute that is a part of the one of the candidate key is known as prime attribute. What is prime attribute? An attribute that is a part of one of the candidate keys is known as prime attribute. Okay, the other keys are non-prime attribute. Okay, other than candidate key, all are non-prime attribute. Example, we'll take an example, then it become very clear. Suppose a company wants to store the complete address of each employee. They create a table name employee details that look like this. Okay, this is an employee table. It contains employee ID, employee name, zip code, employee state, employee city, and employee district. So in this example, super keys are employee ID is a super key. Okay, along with employee ID, employee name. Okay, combination of employee ID and employee name, that also one super key. Combination of employee ID, employee name, and employee zip. Combination of employee ID, employee name, employee zip, that also be a super keys. Then candidate keys, employee ID. Only employee ID is the candidate key. Then non-prime attributes. All attributes except employee ID are non-prime as they are not part of any candidate key. Okay, if any attribute which is not part of candidate key, all are non-prime attributes. Okay, so in this example only employee ID is the candidate key. Okay, so remaining all are the non-prime attributes. All employee name, employee zip, employee state, employee city, employee district, all are the non-prime attributes. Here employee state, employee city, employee district dependent on employee zip. Okay, this employee state, employee city, employee district dependent on employee zip. Okay, it depends on zip code. Okay, okay, zip code also called pin code. Okay, pin code is dependent on what? That state, city, district, like. and employee GIP is dependent on employee ID, and this employee GIP is dependent on employee ID. Depend upon employee ID, you can say this employee from that particular address. Okay, that's employee of from particular address. Depend upon the employee ID. Okay, EMP GIP you can identify. Okay, EMP GIP is dependent on employee ID. This EMP GIP is dependent on employee ID. That makes non-prime attributes employee state, employee city, employee district transitively dependent on super key employee ID. Okay, this violates the rule of 3NF. Okay, so this state, employee city, employee district dependent on employee GIP, and employee GIP is dependent on employee ID. So it violates what? 3NF, the rule of 3NF. The 3NF says what? What is the rule says? Transitive functional dependency of non-prime attributes on any super key should be removed. Should be removed. Okay. So here these all are what? Non-prime attributes that all are dependent on super keys. Okay. This employee state, employee city, employee district dependent on employee GIP. That employee GIP is dependent on employee ID. So it violates what? Third normal form. So it should be removed. Okay. Such condition should be removed. To make this table complies with 3NF, we have to break the table into two tables to remove the transitively dependence. Okay, if you want to make the table with 3NF, we have to break the table into two tables to remove transitively dependence. So what I do, this is the whole table. Okay, so this part, okay, this column, employee ID, employee name, employee GIP. Okay, so this you have to make it a separate table. And one more table is employee GIP, employee state, employee city, employee district. Okay, so this table you have to select these columns: employee GIP, employee state, employee city, and employee district. These four columns you have to make separate table, and these first three columns you have to make separate table. This is one table and this one is other table. Okay, so if you make this one, okay, so it remove the second condition. Okay, what is the second condition? Transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any super key should be removed. How to remove that one? You have to make separate tables. Okay, this is the whole table. You have to make, this is first three columns, one table, then from employee GIP to employee district, these four columns, one more table. Employee GIP is common in both the tables. Clear, no? Okay, so you removed the second conditions. You removed transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any super key. You have to remove it. How to remove? You have to make separate tables. Clear, no? Okay. Yes, thank you. In next video we will study Boyce code normal form. Okay, thank you.